The Elevate Method is my signature coaching offer, which is a certification program that is truly unparalleled. And when I say that, I don't say it lightly. The truth is, in this program, we build on 3 non-negotiable pillars, which I want to talk about today. The first one is the certification. So through the Elevate Method program, you can become certified in 7 different modalities, which is so powerful because this helps you to stand out as a coach and in turn sell out as well. Now, with that said, we're not some certification factory where we're throwing certifications at you, just hoping you can check some proverbial box. We want to coach you at what to do with that, which leads to pillar number 2, which is the coaching. So through this program, we have modality practice calls, Q&A sessions, hot seat coaching, guest experts, and so much more. This allows you to get coaching on how to effectively use these modalities in the work that you do as a coach. Finally, the third pillar is the community. So research says that you are an average of the top 5 people you spend the most amount of time with. And so when you're in community with people that are like-minded and pushing towards their vision, you can't help but to be propelled into yours. We have an online accountability and support group that is so expansive, so intimate, and so transformational. I meant it when I said that this program was unparalleled. It's truly unlike anything else out there. So if you're ready to take your coaching business to the next level, join us inside the Elevate Method Coaching Certification Program. And trust me when I say, your future self will thank you for it.